Who isn't trying to make money online from the comfort of their own home these days? Some people think it's not easy to make money online, but it actually is pretty simple. Watch this video till the very end to know how you can make around $585 every day. Yes, that's true. You can now make a maximum of $600 cash every day by following what we tell you in this video. No investment needed. Usually, when starting something out, you need to make some investments. This has been the way things have been from the very start. But with recent advancements, and with this method, no investment is needed at all. And you can literally do this from your smartphone or any other device. All you have to do first is download the Facebook Messenger app and make sure that you have an account on Facebook. It's free, and people all over the world are relying on it as their source to earn money by using this method. You can use a variety of methods to transact your money from, such as PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, and much more. The most important thing is to follow each of the steps carefully, and you'll soon get a hang of how the whole system works. How it works. There are various websites which can provide you with opportunities to earn money online. We'll mention 2 websites in this video that can offer various ways that help you earn money. The first website you'll visit is called superpayme.com. When opening its webpage, you'll come across a Join Free Today option. Click on that and register to the website as you do usually on other sites. Add in your name, email address, and your desired payment method through which you want to receive your money from. The website offers this method of earning money to many countries. The second website that you can visit is irazoo.com. Through this website, you can earn free gift cards and earn cash. Till now, the website has paid around $116,253,149 and counting to people all around the world. This shows how much the website can be used as a source of earning money easily. After making an account on the website, you can play games, answer different surveys, and download apps to make money. The easiest way, though, to earn money from both of these websites is to click on its affiliate link and refer it to your friends. For irazoo.com, copy its link and click on the Refer to Friends option. By clicking on that, you'll see another sign-up page. Register yourself on that, and then by simply passing along the link to your friends on Facebook Messenger, you can earn yourself 500 to 1,000 points. By referring the site to one person, you can earn around 500 points. To 2 people, around 2,500 points. And the points keep on increasing twice by adding one more person to the list. You can send the link to ask many friends if you want, but how do you make sure that they click on that link as well? Well, how to get started. On irazoo.com, sign up to the site by visiting the homepage. You can also log in from your Facebook account. This saves up a lot of time, and you can also save yourself a whole step through this. Once you log into your Facebook account, type in the keywords "Make Money Online" to get started on the search bar displayed at the top left corner. You'll get various pages that are focused around this keyword. Click on the Groups option, and you'll find yourself scrolling down to various groups. Filter your options to public groups, and join groups you think are suitable for you. By joining that group or groups, you'll see that a lot of people have posted links to several sites. And when you click on any of those links the person's posted about, they'll earn money in return. And this is what you'll be doing as well. This is your primary and also important step in this whole process. Make sure to not be annoying. We mean this in the sense of not spamming any of the groups with your continuous link posting. You need to be very careful with this step because if you post it multiple times, not only the group, but Facebook will ban you from the app, and then you won't be able to post any of the links on that group. Make your audience. By now you know that you'll be able to earn money when people click on the link that you post about, or send to your friends. But how do you really make people click on your link? Because many people will see your post, but what will make them click on those links in order to increase engagement on your post? Well, for that, you need to come up with a good caption above that link to attract people towards your post. With more people engaging in your post and with your link, your post will be shown at the top of that group. And when people visit it, your post will be the first thing they'll stumble upon, hence making more people click on your link. You need to be creative in order to make your post attractive to reach a larger audience. One important thing that you can do in order to make people engage with your post is also mentioning how your audience too can make money through the very same method by clicking on that link. This will highly boost your post because, as mentioned earlier, people all over the world are looking for ways to make extra money online all the time. By doing this, it's guaranteed that people will for sure click on your link. This is the time to make friends. When you post about a way through which you earn money and how others can do the same as well, and that too on a public group, then you're for sure going to get hundreds of comments asking for your guidance on how to get started. You have to send requests to those accounts, and once they accept it, begin telling them how they can get started. And after that, use this to your advantage. You can then refer them to more links that they can visit, making you earn more money. Copy and send the links to these accounts through your Facebook Messenger app, and you can send these accounts as multiple links as you want. The thing that you couldn't achieve while posting the links on those public groups, you can do here. You won't get banned or be labeled as a scammer, as people are interested in clicking on those links as well. People will click on your link because you're texting them privately. And this makes you earn a little trust from them as they asked for your guidance, and you did that by also earning money for yourself at the same time too. This method is the easiest way for you to earn money online. It may sound a little tricky, but once implemented, you'll have lots of benefits. For safety or privacy concerns, you can do this by creating a Facebook account by another name as well. But once you get the hang of this method, you'll be earning yourself bucks in no time. There is no harm at all in finding yourself a way to earn those extra bucks, because let's face it, we all need that extra cash in this day and age. The good thing about this method is that it's absolutely free. The strategy, tips, and tricks provided in this video are absolutely authentic, and if it seems too good to be true, then you can check it out yourself then. There's so many easy money schemes online that when you hear about another one promising to make you a fortune these days, that it all sounds like a scam. Well, what if we told you we found something that's not a fraud and will actually make you money without too much of an effort on your part? And yes, it involves watching videos on YouTube. It's a great way to make money on the side, and even through doing something you do already regularly, consuming video content on YouTube. Additionally, if you're hoping to work in film or television, it'll look real good on your resume. We'll break it down for you so you know exactly how it works and don't have to worry about anything. First, you start by identifying videos you usually enjoy watching on YouTube. However, they have to be associated with a popular keyword. For example, let's say you enjoy watching gaming tutorials. You can search for popular YouTubers who make this sort of content, such as PewDiePie. Or you could search for the keyword itself, such as Cyberpunk or Resident Evil. Basically, any type of video that rakes in a large amount of views in a short time will do the trick. You need to view the videos properly from start to finish and make sure that they're of a decent quality and worth being viewed. Then there's a website called shrinkme.io, which is used for shortening links. This website will pay you for watching those YouTube videos. You have to sign up and make an account here, which is free, by the way. Here, you will use this service to make smaller aliases of the same URL, and you will be paid according to how many times your shortened URL was clicked on and viewed by people on the internet. To watch more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button as you go and comment down below what you'd like to see from us next.